The Honda Shadow VT125 2007 is a compact and beginner-friendly cruiser motorcycle that combines classic styling with practical performance. At its core lies a 124cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine, delivering around 10 horsepower and 9 lb-ft of torque. This modest power output is paired with a smooth 5-speed transmission, making it an ideal choice for new riders or those looking for a reliable urban commuter. One of the standout features of the Shadow VT125 is its lightweight design, weighing just 128 kilo, 282 lbs, which ensures easy handling and maneuverability. Its low seat height of 690 mm, 27.2 inches, makes it accessible for shorter riders, while the comfortable riding position and relaxed ergonomics make it suitable for both short rides and longer journeys. The bike's minimalist aesthetic includes classic cruiser elements like a teardrop-shaped fuel tank, wide handlebars, and a sleek rear end. It also features a rear drum brake and a front disc brake, providing adequate stopping power for its size. The fuel tank capacity is 7.5 litres, 2 gallons, offering a decent range for a small displacement motorcycle. In terms of pricing, the Honda Shadow VT125 2007 typically had an MSRP of around $2,500–3,000 USD when new. Today, used models can be found for approximately $1,500 to $2,500 USD, depending on condition and mileage. For riders seeking an affordable, stylish, and easy-to-ride motorcycle, the Honda Shadow VT125 remains a fantastic entry-level option, whether you're commuting through the city or exploring scenic roads. This bike offers a perfect blend of simplicity, comfort, and timeless charm.